for the Admiralty Classic Stakes. Movement in close. Set to go. Now they're off and racing, and Tescara was slow, so too was Keep Away. Mr. Line on the outside, London Express are going forward. Oil Baron out wide on the track, and they're followed by Breadwinner kicking up, and Keep Away after a slow start is going forward. He's now moving up to about second or third. Imperial Green back on the rails. He's ridden slow whilst off the pace. He's been able to get him over in the running line. He's midfield. On the outside of him, three wide is Oil Baron, and they're followed by Tescara. They're followed by Samurai King on his inside, then Stealth. A couple of lengths to Formula One Racer, Ravages at the tail. 12 lengths top to bottom towards the 1200, and Mr. Line takes the lead now. And he's not going at a strong gallop. He led by about a length and a quarter on London Express, then Keep Away, Breadwinner, then Imperial Green, and on the outside there Oil Baron, still obliged to race wide, and then Slow Waltz behind them. The next one is Samurai King, and they're followed by Stealth on a wide run. Tescara back third last with Formula One Racer, and Ravages are still last. Now probably 10 lengths off Mr. Line. 800 to go, and Mr. Line just picks up the tempo here, leads by half a length on London Express. Keep Away is third as they come towards the home bend, and they're followed by Breadwinner moving up nicely into fourth position. Behind those, Imperial Green trying to get off the rails with Slow Waltz, who's trying to get to the outside. Then Oil Baron. Tescara is back in behind horses with the white sleeves. Samurai King is sneaking up on the fence down to the 300-metre mark, and London Express took the lead away from Mr. Line, but Breadwinner has sprinted quickly on the outside, and Breadwinner goes to the lead here by length on London Express. Tescara, Slow Waltz are running on with Imperial Green. Breadwinner's in front, but here's Tescara. Breadwinner holding on. Tescara's coming after him on the outside, nabbed him. Tescara got there by a head on Breadwinner. London Express held on for third. It's close for fourth. Samurai King came through with Formula One Racer, Imperial Green, Ravages on the outside, and then Slow Waltz, Stealth, Mr. Line, Keep Away, and Imperial